You may be wondering, what is it like to work with Dayloom should you choose to work with our company? My name is Patrick Harders. I'm the owner of Dayloom. I've been in landscape lighting design and installation for over 25 years. I also started a manufacturing fixture company 13 years ago named Sterling Lighting. Dayloom has won 4 international awards in the last 6 years and 6 North American design awards. But the greatest testament to your experience is we have almost 300 5-star reviews on Google. We want your customer experience to be wonderful. I've done enough home improvement projects that I start off excited, and by the time I'm done, I just can't wait for it to finish. With landscape lighting, this is a fun project. This is something that totally transforms your space, but we want the customer experience to be wonderful. We want to put in the very best we can on our products so that they last and come up with the most creative and beautiful designs. We guarantee that you are going to have a wonderful experience with our company, and we would love for you to give us an opportunity to showcase not only our talents, but also how we are going to accomplish everything and make it as wonderful an experience for you as possible.